why not do a Christmas build off?
Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got my wife out here with me, finally, again.
It's been a year.
It's been a year. She just was thinking, it's been about a year. Someone made a comment on a video just recently that the last video you did was about 6 months ago. Didn't build anything, we just made a video.
We were talking about what I was going to build.
What you were going to build, and she never got around to building anything. But
life happened. Life?
What?
Just life.
Just life. Mm-hmm. Anyway, you gotta talk louder so they can hear you.
Sorry.
So, her phone's gonna make noises. We are going to do something as a team, and I thought that it would be really cool. So I know this guy. Do you know where he lives at? Let me turn the phone off.
It's not Denmark. Is it Denmark?
It is.
Yeah.
So I got a guy I know. He's got a channel. He lives in Denmark. It's this guy, Kim, at Kim's Custom Garage, is having a theme build, and the theme is Christmas. And we are going to build something together for that Christmas. I told Heather that maybe we could build this together because she's pretty good at the theme part of it. And she sent me a few pictures of different cars and things with some stuff. It was pretty neat. So what we're going to build is the Volkswagen. What is this? A 68 VW Beetle by Revell. That's going to be our Christmas theme. Mm-hmm. I'm going to buy a photo etch roof rack that goes on it. I found one over All Roundup, I think it was, maybe several different hobby supply places have them, but there's a metal roof rack that goes on there so you can put the presents and the Christmas trees and all that stuff. Anyway,
is it competition?
No, it's no competition.
Oh, okay.
It's just a theme build. It's just a group build. So that's what we're going to build together, and that'll be fun. I've also got over here on the side another group build, the Street Machine group build for Blue Ox Model Shop. Jason Hanscom got his build I'm going to do. But we'll work on this. We've got until Christmas to get this done.
And the deadline, I was thinking that a very nice deadline would be December 1st, 2023, because then we can enjoy all the models all of the months of December until Christmas evening.
Should give me plenty of time.
Should give her plenty of time. I'll probably do most of the build and she'll do most of the decorating. I don't know. Maybe I'll let her paint it or something, but we'll build it. We'll build it together, and it'll be fun. But I want to encourage you guys to go over to Kim's channel, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to Kim's channel. He's a European modeler, which we over here in America. I would love to go over there. They have a lot more history over in Europe. It's a lot older. Kim is a paranormal investigator. He's got lots of cool things going on. But go check out his channel, Kim's Custom Garage, and I encourage you to join this group build. I think it can be anything automotive. I believe
car related, based on some kind of car, as long as it has a Christmas theme. Anything goes as long as it is based on a model kit, car, and is Christmas related.
It's just got to have a Christmas theme. Kim said his favorite holiday is Christmas, and he'd like to do a Christmas theme. And I think that's pretty cool, actually. Maybe we can find a Santa Claus to put in the driver's seat. Somebody'd have to 3D print one. I've already looked. You can't find a Santa Claus it's in a sitting position. Most of them are standing, waving, like on top of a fire truck.
Stand beside the car.
He could stand beside the car. Anyway, so you guys go join that group build. Post you a video. You've got until Christmas to get it done. And then on the Blue Ox Model Shop, the Street Machine, you've got until December 31st. So right there in the same time limit, but still it's a long way off, so you got plenty of time. So you guys go do that. I'm waiting to see your videos posted for the Christmas. I think he wants you to put Xmas group build, like XMAS group build, like hashtag that, so he can find those videos. But anyway, it's going to be fun. What color is it going to be?
I haven't decided yet.
Haven't decided yet. Green and red?
No.
Why not? We could paint the fenders green and the body part red. That'd be very tacky.
I have an idea, but I'm not set on it yet.
Like what?
I mean, I'm thinking like yellow or something, but
Oh, really? Yellow?
Yeah.
For Christmas?
not bright canary yellow, but the car doesn't have to be Christmassy color.
Well, that's true.
I don't want the green and red to clash with a green or red car, like the Christmas.
Oh, that's true. So. Okay. I would have never thought of that. Okay. She picks my clothes out sometimes.
Yep.
Actually, we went to town this evening, and I was going to wear a collared shirt, and she said she didn't. I said, well, you can go pick my shirt out.
I said, no, we're not going to church. Let's look a little more casual.
So anyway, all right. Well, we're in the group build, Kim, and can't wait to get this thing started and kind of see where she's going to go with the theme part of it. I will have no part of that because I just don't. I'm not good at it.
And we looked at Hobby Lobby today.
We did go to Hobby Lobby, yeah.
Looked at the little miniatures, but
I think
I
we're
want
going
something a little bit different.
Yeah, we'll have to go online to find some small little Christmas themed things to go on our car, our Volkswagen. I guess I might as well build a model one since I'm never going to build a real one. I got two out there and I'll probably never get around to it.
Yeah.
So it's way cheaper to build the model cars too. All right, so we're done. Ready?
Ready for what?
Ready
Say
to
bye.
be done?
Bye.
All right, guys, you take care. Don't forget to check out Hobby Nut Models, Kim's Custom Garage. It will be linked in the description below, as well as the Facebook group, the Spring Store, and the Patreon group. So check out everything that's linked in the description of the video. And don't forget to go check out Kim's channel and join this group build. All right, guys, you take care. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.